Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Finance Tube. This is your finance guru Vishal Thakkar, committed to make you rich. Today's topic of discussion is options. So what are options? Before we know more about options, let's look at this small video. What's going on here?
Hey, so you know what? I'm actually looking into some real estate right now because I'm making some good money. So I was thinking of buying an apartment.
Oh, really? I'm planning to sell mine because I'm moving abroad.
That's great. I've seen your place. It's a great place.
It's a really nice place. If you want, you can buy that.
Well, how much are you quoting?
See, for market, like a market rate, I've quoted 1.5. For you, I can still make it less because you're my friend. So 140.
That sounds pretty good. But you know what? I'm in two minds right now because I found a good place at Worli. And it's somewhere around the same price. And it's a pretty good place. So I can't really make a decision right now.
I've got an option. What you can do is you can fix this deal with the token money. So this is going to be like a price protected thing.
Great. So how much is the token?
1 lakh.
And how long would it be valid for?
3 months. So after like 3 months till, if you want my house, you can take it. If you plan to buy something else, I can sell it to someone else because I still have spare 2 months.
That's great. That sounds good. So I have 3 months to make the decision while I still have a fixed price on your place.
Yeah.
That's great. I think we have a deal.
Sure.
So what's going on in here? What we saw was a boy and a girl talking about some apartment buying and selling. The boy said he is looking to buy a house and she says that okay, I have to sell my house. So what's a great deal about it? Okay, so you are trying to tell me that here the lady was very smart. What she did, she didn't let the customer go. She said you pay me a token money and I will protect your price. And in case if your Worli property doesn't materialize, you can always come back here. So what she did, she converted a double-minded person into a person who created a win-win situation. Let's talk in terms of options. So when that boy gave token money, effectively what did he do? He bought a call option wherein up to next 3 months at any time he gets to buy this lady's flat at 140 for which he has given a token of 1 lakh. However, he is not obligated to purchase this house. The reason why he gave the token was because he was in two minds. No, he was considering some other property as well. That means for a call option, the option buyer gets a right to buy but not an obligation to buy. Now, if you look at the same thing from the girl's perspective, you will see that by accepting 1 lakh token, she has an obligation to sell up to next 3 months. Anytime during next 3 months, if that guy comes and says, okay, here is your balance money, give me the house. She cannot ask for more price then, right? Because she has already accepted the token. So ladies and gentlemen, the token here becomes option premium. And it goes without saying that if up to 3 months the guy doesn't turn up, the 1 lakh is not to be refunded. Because that's the option premium paid by the guy to the girl. Now you may say, who would do that? A lot of people do this. Why? Because if let's say his Worli deal does not work out, if he had not given the token, probably the girl would have asked for 150 or even more after 3 months. Correct? Depending on market situation then. Also, if the Worli deal works out for him, wherein he is saving let's say 5 lakh more by buying a Worli property, he would presume that I only saved 4 lakhs. So it is a win-win for the guy. Now let us look at it from the girl's perspective. The girl does not have to find any other buyer till next 3 months. And she gets 1 lakh extra even if she has to find a buyer 3 months later. And you never know what market could be then. The prices may also go low. So both ways, it's a win-win situation. So options has its own market. When you create a right but not an obligation when you buy, and you accept an obligation for a premium and give away your right to sell. So basically, again, if you see, options are very sophisticated ways of entering into transactions whereby risk of both the parties are mitigated. One last word. We have two types of options. One is the call option, which you saw in the video, which the guy exercised. So here in the call option, the guy was the buyer, the girl was the seller. In technical terms, the guy was the option buyer and the girl was option writer. Same situation can also be done in a put option. Put option works exactly the other way around, wherein a girl would give some token to the guy for selling her house at a particular price. Because again the same win-win situation needs to be created. Only this time that the girl would be in two minds. To conclude, ladies and gentlemen, options helps to mitigate the risk of both the parties. Also, the easiest way to remember option is to remember the slogan, call up, put down. So call option is always when the market is going up and put option is always used when the market is expected to go down. For easier understanding of complex concepts, subscribe to our channel, Finance Tube. To Finance Tube, ladies and gentlemen, I am Vishal Thakkar and I would like to welcome you to breaking news. Yes, friends, the breaking news is that the share market